So tonight's video is Thursday night, and tonight's video I'm in the middle of a field in Devon. Yeah, they've recently just baled this field, so I've come out here. I've been itching. The good people at Wex Photography have sent me a new tripod, so it's pretty impressive, and I've already had a sneaky preview, but I'm itching to sort of like get it out in this kind of location and show you guys what it's all about. This is the Manfrotto BeFree travel tripod, and it's got full on carbon fibre. Look at that bag. So let's eject her from the bag and see what we've got in here. It is such a nice tripod. I just wanted to do a vlog on this, just to show you guys some of the great equipment that's out there, and the sort of equipment. I've had a tripod for a long time. It's years old. It's the one with the clips on the side for the legs. So this has got the twistable collars to extend out, so it makes it so much easier as a travel tripod to pack away. They're not cheap. I will be putting a link in the description, and hopefully I'm gonna give the people a chance, if you're interested in this, to get a bit of a discount on it as well. So if you are looking for a superb travel tripod, this tripod is just like such another level. I was having a little play earlier on. So there's 3 positions on the legs that is fully adjustable. 3 different lockable positions, and that lock out. It's got a collar here that you can adjust the stem. So yeah, just a quick overview a minute. Yeah, so there is the top. So it's got a lockable ball up there that you can rotate around to any position, and then just lock it off and lock it up fully with that one, so it's not going anywhere. There is another adjuster there, so you can turn the head as well. So let's get it set up, and I'm literally just going to whack out the legs, lock them off. But if you're looking for something super fast, super lightweight, lock them up. So it's literally seconds. I'm going to just take her up a notch on these. It's just getting into that rhythm a little bit of there. So then we can get it kind of level, lock her out, lock it all up. That is fantastic. So this is the locking collar for the center stem. That is actually, you can, in the end of that stem, there's a little rubber grommet. You can remove that and invert the stem so you can have it upside down, so if you want to get some low down shots. But yeah, it looks really impressive. It's super impressive. Like I say, I had a little play earlier on, and basically it is really incredible quality. It's got this little plate locked in at the moment that you can lock your camera on there. I'm going to get the get my RX10 locked on there in a minute and see if we can crack a shot off. Just set the RX10 up on the main tripod, and then alternatively you can run a friction arm, which I've just got the little 15 centimeter friction arm coming off the attachment on the tripod, and basically I'm running a GoPro time lapse at the same time, so it just gives you a great little sort of selection of some of the things you can do on this tripod. Plus, if you're looking for somewhere to hang your camera bag, there is a convenient little hook mounted on the opposite side from the mounting for the friction arm, where you can just hang your bag. How cool is that? And it just like stabilizes with your gear in there. You just get the bit of stabilization on your tripod as well. But how good is that little setup? I've been itching to get out with this. It's just like such a good night for it, and yeah, just get some amazing pictures. So not too much drama with the sunset tonight, but it isn't a bad place to be, in the middle of a field in Devon. Plus, I don't know what this time lapse is going to be like, because I set the time lapse going, I set it all up on the friction arm, and then I was messing around with the camera, taking a couple of shots, trying to get the camera mounted without the strap being in the way. But it's only a quick little demonstration of what you can actually achieve, and yeah, just show you the kind of setup that is available. But this little friction arm is another little work of art. It just screws into the port on the tripod, and it's like totally adjustable. I've been playing with this. It is just so versatile. It just gives you so many options for mounting your cameras. So there it is, guys. Thanks for watching the video, and hope you sort of enjoyed the Devon landscape this evening and me with my brand new tripod. Whoa.